Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is on a BMW 325 E46, you see in the background there. Today we're going to be removing the front seats because they're in bad condition. So let's have a little look and I'll show you what's involved. So as you can see, mine are in quite a bad state. I've got the electric ones, so I've bought myself a set of M Sport electric seats off of eBay. Because they're just a little bit more comfortable and obviously they're in a lot better condition than these. So all you're going to need for this job is a ratchet with a 17mm socket, 16mm socket. 16mm socket, so you've got two bolts at the back, one each side. Convertibles may be a little bit different. I think you've got an extra one on the convertibles. Let's just pull this right forward to double check. Yeah, no, okay, so we've just got one each side there, and then obviously once you've undone them two, slide your seat all the way back. Nearly there, and then you got a little cap on the front ones, so just get a flathead screwdriver or use your finger. They look like a different size actually. Let's just check them. No, same size, 16mm times 2 again. So I'm going to buzz them off, and then I'll show you where the connector is, and I'll just double check that we haven't got to disconnect the battery as well. So leave it with me and I'll get back to you. Guys, you can see you've got the two big bolts there and the two nuts which were at the front. So I mean, if you're taking both seats out, obviously take off the bolts for both sides, and then you need to disconnect the battery, which I've done. This has been disconnected for about 10 minutes. I just got myself in there and disconnected the negative connector of the battery, so it should be as dead as a dodo now, because obviously the seats are connected to the airbags, so obviously you don't want to trigger them. And now I can get access to the connector underneath. So I don't know exactly where it's located. Right, here we go. So, needs a good overhead down here by the looks of it. Jesus, state of it. So you've got a big yellow plug there. I'll have a closer look at it in a minute when I've got both hands, and show you how to disconnect. Okay, so it's held in place by this metal bracket, so you literally just slide it backwards off of this, and then you've got a little pull out section here. So once you release that, it's like the car stereos, you slide it out and then your connector will pop out. So let's get this out of the way and try out the new seats. Okay, so here we are. I fitted the seats back in. I did look underneath and noticed I had a motor missing, so fortunately I could take it off the other seats, secured them in rough position, reconnected the battery. But before I'd done up all the nuts, I just checked the seat, make sure everything's working, which it is on both seats, and now obviously I'm re-securing them and bolting them back in place. But nice little upgrade and a great improvement on my car, so happy days. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and as I say, be careful, don't shut your boot, otherwise you're going to need jump leads to power up from the jumping points on the front to get access to your boot, so be careful. Okay, thanks for watching.